Hi guys, this is Chris and welcome to Conversion Chef. In this channel, we talk about Shopify applications to increase your conversion. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our YouTube updates. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications we review. Please also visit our review blog, conversionskitchen.com, and mailing list conversionchef.club. Let's jump into the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you different stores where you can purchase Shopify themes. When purchasing a theme, what we need to consider is first the speed of these themes. It should be optimized. Of course, it should be easy to edit and the customer support should be responsive. We all know that themes do not have a great impact on your sales, so it is really okay to use free themes. But when you are planning on buying a theme that is really optimized and is suited for your desired store design, then why not as well find for other stores where you can buy themes with the same features but at a cheaper price. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first of course is the most popular Shopify theme store. In the Shopify theme store, since this is the main store for the Shopify themes, then they have already a lot of available themes on the store. So to avail a Shopify theme, of course, you need to just log into your Shopify account and just purchase the themes. What's good about the Shopify theme is that since this is the main store for these Shopify themes, then of course they have this standard so that a Shopify theme would be uploaded on the store. With that, of course, there are many store owners who buy Shopify themes from the store. Thus, there are many reviews already on the different themes. So for example, this is a theme for a clothing line. So you have here the title of the Shopify theme, your price, and the brief description of the Shopify theme. What's good about this is that you may also view a demo, can also try the theme with the different styles included. Of course, there are checklists of theme features as well as the different suggestions of other themes. You also have here the number of reviews and the percentage of positive feedback. So this is about the Shopify theme store. How about the other stores where you can purchase Shopify themes outside the Shopify theme store? So there are three. The first one is the Themeforest.net. So this is Themeforest.net, which is owned by the Envato Market. So we have sort the Shopify themes according to the price. So this is the cheapest Shopify theme available in Themeforest, which is in $29, which is a very great price. So let's see. So you have here the different licensing. You can select a regular license or an extended license, which is really expensive. It's $2,400. So sometimes a free or regular license themes is already great, but of course if you have the budget and you really need those features in the extended license, then why not, right? So let's see what are the features of the Themeforest. So you may also preview that, view tutorials, add it to a collection or to your favorites for future purchase. You also have here the descriptions. In terms of the design of the Themeforest, it just needs a little improvement so it would be pleasing to the eyes. Okay, so have here the different photos of the Shopify theme. Let's see if there's a review. Okay, the features and extensions. The reviews, you may find it on the comments. Of course, before purchasing a theme from the different theme stores, don't just rely on the descriptions or the live preview of the store, but of course go to the comment section or the review section so that you would really test the quality of the themes. Okay, on the support, this section will be where you can contact the author of these themes, or before buying a theme, just test first if the author is responsive so that in the future you will not have a problem once you inquire a question to your theme's author. So that's basically the Themeforest. You may just sign in here so that you can purchase a theme. Now let's go to the second one. The second one is the Template Monster. The Template Monster provides a website templates, and there are many different platforms or e-commerce templates for Shopify, Magento, and whatnot. So let's go to the Shopify themes. What you can see first is the number of Shopify themes available in the Template Monster, which is 1,150 Shopify themes. So you have here the different categories, your topics according to your niche, the marketplace membership, your tags. You may also filter the colors, your features. Of course, we want a responsive Shopify theme. Of course, who wouldn't like that, right? According to the Shopify store that you would like to create, just filter the features available on the left side. So let's see what is the least expensive Shopify theme. So just filter or sort by the lowest price. So we have here $29, but there is no ratings yet. So what's good about the Template Monster is that you can already see the ratings, the number of sales, and the price of the theme. You may also view the details and the live demo. So in terms of the design of the Template Monster, it's really good, it's really nice, it's very pleasing to the eyes. So to know more about the theme, you have here the intro, the description, of course the reviews, and the comments. So let's go and try have a live demo of this theme. So it's nice because you have here the mobile, your tab, and the desktop mode. So that's just how the Template Monster is. So this is a great store where you can shop a Shopify theme. So just log in so that you could be able to purchase the Shopify theme. Now let's go to the most surprising store where you can buy a Shopify theme, and that is eBay. So there are a lot of Shopify themes in eBay. You just really need to scroll and discover the different themes available in eBay. What I don't like here is just there's no live demo, of course, because it is not really a main store for the Shopify themes. So of course, in Shopify, you just need to really look into the different Shopify themes available and contact the seller so that you will be able to really confirm if this is a Shopify theme that works really, really great on your Shopify store before purchasing. those are the 4 stores where you can shop your Shopify themes. The first one, of course, is the popular Shopify theme store. The second one is the Themeforest.net. The third one is the Template Monster, and the fourth one is eBay. So don't worry, I will be putting the link below so you can click on that. So I hope that you have learned something from this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!